Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the correct projection style in SolidWorks. So whenever you are using SolidWorks drawing, so you need to make sure that you are using the right projection style. So right now, as you can see on my screen, we are watching like third angle projection. So what is third angle projection and what is first angle projection? So I'm going to explain this in video, but you need to make sure, like if you are in US, so most of the time and like almost in US people use third angle projection, and in most of other countries into the world, so first angle projection is used. So they are very different from each other, but when you are expecting a drawing in third angle, or when you are expecting in first angle and you see with the another projection style, so you can get confused very easily. So that's why, like most of the time people like to prefer right here into the information box like which kind of projection style is. So before proceeding, I would like to explain what is third angle and what is first angle. So you can take an example which is pretty famous example. So like you can take a big mixing bowl and then you can put your part inside of the mixing bowl, and then what you can do is you can just slide your mixing bowl one by one on the all side of the mixing bowl. So the view of your part which you are seeing inside of the mixing bowl, so that is the third angle projection. And if you are just gonna move the upside down of the mixing bowl, and then if you slide your part right, left, top and down onto the mixing bowl, so that angle or that style is first angle projection. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So let's go. I would just share right now we are into the third angle projection. So let's make more views about this drawing, and then we can compare. So right now, as I have a part here, so what I can do is I can just go into the part, and first I can explain what the exactly part we have. So you can see we have a disc here. On the right side of disc we have a hexagonal shape, and on the top we have a triangle. So I'm gonna go back into the sheet, and you can see this is my right view. And then if I would like to draw multiple views, so I can just select the part, and then I can go into the design, and then I can just go into the projected view, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna make some views. Like this is the top view, I can select it again, and then projected view. I would like to draw the down view, and then again I would like to make the left view. Okay, so in this way I can just mention all the views, and right now as you can see we are into the third angle projection. So on the right side we have our the view where we have our hexagonal, and then on the top we have our rectangle. So what you can do is you can just right click anywhere here in the gray area. So you can right click on that, and then you can go into the properties. So if you can't see properties, you can go here into the down, and then you can see properties. So I'm gonna go into the properties. So right now as you can see third angle is selected automatically, type of projection. So if you want to change it into the first angle, I'm gonna click on it and then apply changes. Boom. So you can see my hexagonal shape is going to the move onto the left side, although before that in the third angle it was on the right side, and my triangle was on top and it moves into the down. So you can get confused very easily. So if you don't know at what angle you are watching, so you need to make sure, like if you are confused by watching the drawing, so or to reading the drawing, so what you can do is you can just change the view, or you can just check if you are watching the right angle projection or not. So this is all about third angle projection and first angle projection. So I hope like whenever you are reading your drawings, you are make sure like which projection style you are reading, and if you got confused, so you can just check it what is the right angle projection for you. So, and that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.